Hi there, it's Paul here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon aStore and embed it into your own site. In my case this is going to be a WordPress blog. What you have to do to start with is go to the Amazon affiliate homepage, which is here. You can see the address at the top. It's affiliate-program.amazon.com, and then you either set up a new account or sign in with an existing one. So I'm going to sign in with my existing account here. You now come to the home page and you need to click on this tab, aStore. This takes you to your aStore dashboard, if you like, and you can see all your existing stores. What I'm going to do is add a store here, and I need to add a new tracking ID, so click on that. I'm just going to choose something like Demo Store 303, just some random address, but you can try and match that up with your site as best you can. Okay, so it searches to see if it's available. In this case it is, so we click on Continue, and this is where we start setting our store up. Now the first thing we need to do is click on Add Category Page, and in this drop down box you can see you've got three choices. You can add individual products, products from a category, or products from a list mania list. So you can actually browse Amazon and get a list ID and enter it there. We're going to add products from a category because this populates the store very quickly. Select the category you want to use. I've decided I'm going to choose computers today. So computers, it now shows me the subcategories. Now if I just click this box here, it will highlight all of these subcategories. I can choose to do this or not. I can unclick that and actually drill down a bit further, so my store could be more niche orientated and actually offer computer add-ons rather than computers as a whole. But for the sake of this demonstration I'm going to choose that. Okay, and now you can see this is essentially the sidebar in our store. So you can see now we've got computers and then the subcategories below it. If you want to add another top level category, just add another category page. Products by category. Select your new category, so I can put in one electronics, office electronics this time. Include all subcategories. Save. Now you can see I've got another main category there, office electronics and computers. Okay, you can change the title of the categories up here, it's no problem, and you can search by keywords as well. When you add the category, this can again narrow it down. Okay, so click Continue, and you now come to the design part of the store where you can choose your colours and your layout. And what I normally do is remove this header straight away, which is down here, so don't show the store header, and it seems to fit in with your site a lot better. I like the content background to be white, or all the Fs. That's white, 6 Fs. Body text colour is this here, and your link colour is that reddy colour there. You can change corners to square or rounded, and you can actually select a theme, a pre-existing theme from that drop down there. I find it easier just to select the colours to match the colour of your site so it blends in. You give your store a name, and then click Continue. You now choose sidebar left or right. I've gone for a left one, and you can actually add different widgets into your sidebar here, or you can just untick them and leave nothing. It's up to you. Okay, finish and get link. Now what it shows you here, this is the simple link to the standalone site. If you go to that, you can see a preview of your site. Okay, so that looks fine. But what we want to do is embed using an inline frame. So if you click on the center button and then highlight the HTML, that's the code that you want to copy. Now if I go to my WordPress blog and add a new page, if I make sure I'm in the HTML view and then just paste that code in, you'll notice here there's 90%. You can mess around with this so that it fills the available area. Just keep trying just to see what looks best. Okay, another thing I like to do is to center. And that puts it right in the middle. The theme I'm using, I'm going to use full width content so it looks better, and I'm going to publish it. Actually, I need to put in a title. Now if I view the page, you can see there's your store. Okay, so simple as that. One thing I should point out is you can actually go back to your Amazon store now and you can change anything about it, whether it's the design or the categories that it's showing. For instance, I can change the links to blue. If I just continue, it should save it. Now if I go to my preview, there you can see the links have changed. I don't have to keep going back into my WordPress blog and changing the code, repasting it each time I make a change. Anything you do in your Amazon store will automatically show up in your blog page because it's an iframe. Okay, so hopefully that's covered everything, and it shows you how to put a store onto your blog. Okay, thanks very much.